Hello and welcome to our latest video roundup. My name's Sean O'Neill and I'll be taking you through the week's best science videos. First off, monkeys that control robots with the power of thought. A team at Duke University Medical Center implanted electrodes into the sensory and motor cortices of two rhesus monkeys and then recorded their brain activity as they moved on a treadmill at different speeds. The team then mapped the signals to specific leg movements and transmitted them to a robot in Japan, which then moved in sync with the exercising monkey.
When we stopped the treadmill moving here at Duke and the monkey stopped walking, using the visual feedback she was getting from Japan, she was still able to sustain the locomotion of that robot for a few minutes just by thinking.
People who are paralyzed are still able to produce the brain signals for different types of movement. This year the team will be working on robotic leg braces that can be controlled using this brain activity. Another team at Duke University have been looking into the brains of songbirds and found that they're surprisingly in tune with humans. Mirror neurons are triggered when we perform an action or when we watch someone else do the same thing. The scientists found that swamp swallows also have mirror neurons in their brains that fire when they hear a song similar to their own. Here a male swallow listens to a recording of another swallow singing and sings along with it. The researchers think that the birds remember the firing patterns of the neurons so that they can steal the song and sing it later. The similar process may explain how we acquire language. So now we know how birds learn to sing, how about how they fly? Biologists at the University of Oxford mounted miniature cameras on steppe eagles to get close-up images of feathers at the edge of their wings. The feathers were seen to quickly flick out at the end of each wing beat and also while flying in windy conditions. To look at wing deployment in greater detail, the team used a high-speed camera mounted on a tripod. They looked at tiny groups of feathers at the front of the wings which are attached to a movable joint. It was thought that the birds deploy these feathers to help them land, but it now seems that the feathers are pushed out by the changing flow of air, which then triggers the whole joint to move. Finally, some unfortunate ants that look like bird food. Researchers from the University of California, Berkeley have just discovered a new type of roundworm that infects some tropical ants and gives their abdomens the appearance of berries. Birds are tricked into eating the ants and later expel the parasite's eggs in their droppings. In the next stage of the cycle, ants feed the feces to their larvae, transmitting the parasite to a new generation of ants. It's the first time a parasite has created a fake fruit to propagate itself. That's all for now, but for more science and technology stories, visit newscientist.com or buy the magazine. Bye for now.